In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the tile cache size on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab at the top, and then you want to go down and select Preferences. And now over here on the right side underneath Resource Consumption, you can change the unit of measurement by clicking the drop down and selecting megabyte, for example. You can then change the value by deleting whatever's in here and then going up or down by clicking the plus or minus sign and then select OK to save, and that's all you have to do. So a pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.